Today we're unboxing the Dell 7000 series 2-in-1. We're going to use the featured Dell Mobile Connect to help record this video. We're also going to have a look at a couple of features after we're done with the unboxing. So let's get on with it. This device will be available in both John Lewis and Curry's PC World. And no matter which retailer you decide to buy with, inside the box you will receive an active Dell pen. In Curry's PC World you will find two specifications available, an i5 and an i7. The i5 is an online exclusive. Both specifications come with 512GB SSD. In John Lewis you will find only one specification available, which is an i7, and again it comes with the 512GB SSD. The first thing you'll notice when pulling the device out of its packaging is how premium it feels. The device is made out of aluminium, meaning it's durable and it has benefits when it comes to heat distribution. So like I said, this machine is packed full of features. Let's have a quick look at some. Before going any further, we recommend that you download and try out the Dell Mobile Connect application. Go to your relevant app store and just type in Dell Mobile Connect and install the application. It takes no longer than 1 minute to set up, and one thing's for sure, you will have the power to do more. So the Dell 7000 series comes packed full of features. We're going to touch on a handful of them today. The first one is the active pen. Now the cool thing isn't the fact that it comes with an active pen, the cool thing is the housing for the active pen. It's built within the hinge of the machine, and this housing is so convenient. No matter what mode you put your laptop in, the pen is one, out of the way and not in the way of anything, and two, always within easy reach. So whenever you need your active pen, you can always grab it. Another great feature about this device is the fact that yes, it's a premium device and it boasts a lot of innovation, but we're providing you with ample connectivity. You have HDMI out, USB-A, USB-C, headphones 3.5mm jack, and a micro SD card slot. That's ample connectivity, right? So the next one, adaptive thermals, is a creation of our engineers, and it just shows the innovation our team actually goes through. So what is adaptive thermals? Adaptive thermals is a gyro sensor that's built into your machine that will tell the machine what position your laptop's in. This will determine how your machine will perform. For example, the machine will know if it's placed on a table, meaning most likely the air vents are not covered, it has ample airflow, meaning it can push the components to its maximum potential whilst running the fans, making sure everything cools off nicely. However, if you're holding the device in your hand, you may be blocking some of the air vents. The adaptive thermals will know that you're holding it in your hand because the movement will be there, and what it will do, it will slow down your components, making sure that your components don't heat up too much, meaning your fans won't have to work as hard. So it's a very clever way of your laptop understanding how you're using your device and providing you the optimum experience for the way you're using your machine. The next piece of innovation that our team's been up to is the 2.7mm temporal noise reduction webcam. Damn, that's a mouthful. But so the way this webcam works is very clever. Not is it only tiny, it actually has benefits to the user. And the benefits of using our 2.7mm webcam is the fact that we use a 4-element design which allows the camera to focus on more areas, meaning less blurry image. Another benefit to the 2.7mm webcam is the fact that it has temporal noise reduction. Now this is one of our key things. We've managed to make a webcam so small but at the same time allow enough light in to your night shots to ensure that you don't have as much noise within your image, making sure that you have a clear and sharp image every time. So that was just a handful of features within our 7000 series 2-in-1. Ask our in-store promoters or our SDMs to actually show you a few more features. You'll be surprised at what's actually available on the Dell machines. Until then, catch you on the next one. Bye.